friends, I'm Dr. Deepika Agarwal, consultant gynecologist at CK Birla Hospital. Today I'm going to talk about the most common medication that we use in pregnancy, and in fact, of course, pre-conceptually. That means when we actually plan to begin our pregnancy, called as folic acid. Folic acid is simple vitamin. It's also called as vitamin B. That is, I think most of you would be familiar by this name, and this is what we are going to discuss today. So the foremost thing that would come to anybody's mind is, why do we advise folic acid? Why do we have to start taking it preconceptually? It's because folic acid facilitates the multiplication of cells. It helps in building the proteins, what we call as DNA. The cells are dividing in the initial first 3 months of pregnancy, and that's where the role of folic acid is paramount, because it is helping with the division of cells, and it helps in prevention of different anomalies which can happen during pregnancy. As I mentioned, that folic acid helps in helps with the facilitating the multiplication of the cells. By this, it helps in preventing certain congenital abnormalities, what we call as neural tube defects. Neural tube is a structure inside the spinal cord, and that's where the role of folic acid is coming. It helps in preventing things like spina bifida, which means there could be abnormality in the spine. Helps in prevention of anencephaly, which means when the brain is not fully developed, or if there is protrusion coming from the brain, it is a condition called as encephalocele. So these are a paramount role of folic acid. Apart from that, it helps in preventing miscarriages. It also helps in conditions which we call as cleft lip and cleft palate. Palate is a part of our mouth, and again lip is a part of our mouth. It also helps in certain congenital heart disease. So it is very, very paramount that even when we are planning to fall pregnant, we must start taking it at least 3 months before pregnancy. And if you haven't taken it, whenever you can start taking it, please do take it. Now, what are the dosage of folic acid? Generally speaking, for prevention, one can take 400 micrograms, but there are certain situations where we would ask you to take higher dose, which is also called as 5 milligrams. For example, if you have had a previous baby who was born with spina bifida or anencephaly or encephalocele, the other indications where we would like to give folic acid is if you suffer from epilepsy, or if you have lupus, or if you have SLE, or there is a family history of neural tube defects. Now, is there any side effect of folic acid? Very, very rare to happen. It only happens if for any reason our body is not metabolizing it, which means if we have any liver disease, that too a very severe liver disease. In that condition, folic acid levels can go high in the body, and there may be perhaps risk of cancer, or it may inhibit absorption of another vitamin called as vitamin B12, and it can cause deficiency, which can further lead to anemia. Now, the most important thing is from where all we can get this folic acid. Yes, we give you as tablets, but there are certain food where you can get it. For example, if you eat spinach, broccoli, avocado, you can have oranges, they have minimal amount of folic acid, and whole grains also have, and certain fortified foods, even cereals, they are fortified with folic acid. So your obstetricians would really encourage you to start eating these foods apart from taking folic acid. Thank you.